Where will investors be targeting in 2019? Property growth in 2018 was a mixed bag, with London seeing a general fall in demand. Contrastingly, areas such as Manchester and Canterbury saw surprisingly high growth. Forecasts would suggest that the North Midlands regions of England are likely to see the strongest continued growth going into 2019. Sparked by recent data released from Your Move, the findings have highlighted that higher rental yields could be obtained in these regions. When taking into account the uncertainty of the economy going into 2019, it is predicted that investors will play it safe and continue to invest in these relatively secure regions over the next 5 years. The report suggests that we have moved into the second part of the current housing cycle, whereby markets in the North and Midlands are outperforming those of London and the South. The result of this is that we will expect to see increased emphasis on investors targeting rental returns from their residential developments. This is also expected to be paired with a shift from corporate to private investments. We have accordingly adjusted the forecast for the year in terms of returns across the UK property market. Capital growth has fallen from 40 to 30%, with rental income growing to 70%. Within the buy-to-let sector, we are expecting to see a rise in larger institutions entering the scene. Buy-to-let mortgages have grown by just over 1% in the year ending September 2018. Contrastingly, we're seeing the number of buy-to-let rents completed or in progress having risen by a staggering 30%. In recent years, individual landlords have made up the majority of investors entering the rental sector. However, purpose-built properties with the view to rent the properties has been a rapidly increasing strategy and an important part of the way the property market is set to be shifting towards. And this is largely due to the rise in younger people having less money and, importantly, a different attitude to purchasing property. Renting is increasingly becoming a lifestyle choice, allowing more flexibility in life. It has also been highlighted that over 50% of adults under the age of 40 are predicted to be renting privately owned property by 2025, with 1/3 of those predicted to never buy a property. Ample opportunities to target this ever-growing market are on the increase.